Since my husband married me, ask him, he's here. Have you kissed me before? It's just open. I will open. You enter. No romantic, nothing.
Oh, quadele buone to ni no ni se ni si ni sa ni sato ni tenani ni. Okay, you mean no romance in your marriage?
No romance. You can, 3 months is even small. Before I will be the one. Oh, you please go and bath now. He will tell me that if I don't want to do, let me leave it. He will go. He's here.
Okay, that is what makes you to be remembering the first guy.
And
that used to be neat.
No.
That one used to be neat.
Yes. I like it neat, so he can stay 1 week, he will not bath. It's not good. And he used to go out.